single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing and quick review of the new phone by Xiaomi, which is Redmi 6 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have the box right now with me, and Redmi 6 Pro by Xiaomi has been written on the top. On the left and right side, Redmi 6 Pro has been written. Here few of the specs and model number, pricing is written. So this phone comes in two variants. The first one is 3GB 32GB memory, and the second one is 4GB 64GB memory. So I have the 4GB 64GB variant. The box price printed here is 13,499. So I got it for 12,999. 500 discount was offered from Amazon. So this is the box. So the key highlights of this is it has dual camera, of which one is 12 megapixel, another one is 5 megapixel AI dual camera. It is 5.84 full HD display. The main talking point is 4000 mAh battery, and it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor, which is 14 nanometer octa-core processor. So this was all about the box. Now let's open the box and see what all things are there inside. So at first we have the device itself. I'll keep the device aside for now. Let's see what all contents are there inside. So inside this box I have this paperwork and some manuals. We'll keep this aside. There is this plastic TPU case, which is good from Xiaomi. At least they are giving something to the users. Apart from that, I have this cable. Unfortunately, it is not Type-C, but it is micro USB cable. And then I have this power brick. So the rating of this power brick is 5 volt 2 ampere. As you can see here, the rating of this is 5 volt 2 ampere. So in all, it is a fast charger. This is something good from Xiaomi. So I'll just keep all the stuff aside, and I'll quickly set up the phone and I'll show you how it turns out to be.
Just give me nothing. I'ma wait till the time. I love this how you just set it on fire. 'Cause it don't need nothing. Here's one for the night. Don't waste my time.
So I have set up the phone. As you can see over here, the display is quite good, and I have just to give the physical overview of the phone to you, it has got the dual camera setup, AI camera, of which the primary camera is 12 megapixel and the second one is of 5 megapixel with the dual LED flash in the between. Then we have the fingerprint scanner over here. On the left side we have volume rockers and power button. On the right side we have volume rocker and power button. On the left side we have SIM tray, and the good thing is it can support 2 SIMs and 1 SD card. On the top we have 3.5 mm headphone jack with noise cancellation mic and IR blaster, which can be used for MI remote. And at the bottom we have micro USB charging point and the speakers and mic again at the bottom. The screen is 5.78 full HD display. It has got notch over here, and the front camera is 8 megapixel. So I have set up my fingerprint, and it is quite responsive, as you can see. So this is about the fingerprint sensor. It also has got the face unlock. I have not set the face unlock right now, but it works quite decent provided the price range. So now let us directly jump into the settings. If I go to the settings and if I check about the about phone, so you can see if I have opened the about phones of this phone, you can see it has got 4 GB of RAM, and the memory available is 51.31 GB, and it has the security patch level of September, which is good. And apart from that, it has which operating system, I think it has got Oreo operating system in this, so this is something good. So it has got Oreo operating system. So this was the quick physical overview and quick specs about this phone, and stay tuned for the in-depth review of this phone, wherein we will check the performance and the camera samples of this phone. So hope you guys like this small quick unboxing and overview of this phone. Do comment your views about it, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe it and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.